The cap keel is a U-shaped metal material with a raised head, easy to fix various lamps and other decorative materials. It is a support structure for the ceiling or the inner wall decoration. Therefore, the application scenario of cap keel is relatively wide. Joined to a high-speed cap keel machine. Independent archway, beautiful structure. Programmable PLC control system. Frequency converter speed regulation. Simple and user-friendly operation. Servo tracking shear. Working speed up to 70 meters per minute. High speed and stable. Cut without deformation, no burrs. This device has accurate control. Plate size, plate precision, roller speed, and so on. Install automatic packing and palletizing line. Reverse, tie, palletizing one-stop automatic production. Save time and labor. Joined to a cold rolling forming machinery. Make production simpler.